It's been a long day.
Hello guys, how are you all? It's my favorite year and it's Mother's Day, so I actually decided to make a Mother's Day card. This is a red paper. We're gonna fold it side to side. It looks good. I hope you do the same as I do. Side to side. Then it's gonna be perfect. Ta-da! Now we're gonna start with all of my yellow paper and we're gonna stick it with some white glue on the red paper. So it looks like that we have some red lines coming, and I think this is gonna turn out pretty nice since I have done this 100 times, and whatever card I make, I know it's gonna turn out nice. And I hope you get this glue too. It's really nice. It has both sides using the correct direction. So now let's also do the top and then we'll do the bottom. I like this blue finish our picture. Looks really nice right now, and it's so satisfying to spread all of that glue around the frame. And I also made some balloons and some colors just a little bit to make it look much better and much nicer. I think this is gonna turn out really nice because whatever card I make, I just gotta believe in myself to make it look that good. Okay, now I'm gonna stick it, and it took a little time. That's why I had to off the camera because I need a lot of attention as this. And I couldn't get help from my mother since this is a Mother's Day card and my father were actually gone. So I asked the help from my father and he offered the camera and helped me glue this yellow paper. And then we're going to get my markers and write Mother's Day for my mom. We've got orange color for the first word. It's happy. That's why I'm starting with it. Gotta zoom in a little to show what colors I'm using. I have orange, red for happy. And I think the next color will be green. And the other one is gonna be green. And the next is gonna be blue. Gotta take out the colors for a long time. So, I think it's gonna turn out nice. I'm also writing O because it's mother. And then I'll start with the M. Here's a T and it's in red color. I have had to make some good choices to match this page. And I thought that I have to use a lot of nice and bright colors. I only did the color of the rainbow on one side and the dark colors on the second side. I didn't use those. I just used the colors that came with the truck. So now I'm gonna color S and make this that thing that we gotta make. I learned a lot. And then we're gonna write day. Day is the only word to write. I can do that fast. I'm gonna use orange, red, and blue for day because those are the three main colors of this picture. Or I can use a little bit of green because that will match too.
There's so much I can't stop thinking about.
It looks very nice and beautiful. Now I'm gonna actually close my set and start with all of the stickers that I have. I'm gonna glue them on so they look much pretty. I'm gonna start with some of my balloons that I got. I have so many colors, so let's start with the first one. It's blue. Let's put blue color on the paper. Pretty hard to do. That's why I'm taking some time and focusing on my work more than the video because I hope it turns out nice and I hope you do it better than me because I know you're better than me too. You're the song inside my heart and I would never change a thing. 'Cause you make me sing. Hey mama. Taking some time placing the bright colors so it looks beautiful. So I've done the tree right now. I'm doing the other one. I've done blue, dark green, and orange. Now I'm doing light green, and after that, I don't know what to do. But I'm sure I'll find out. I think I'll do the purple later, or I think I'll do the red. But I think I'll do the purple first, since it's a brighter color. And I know what's the perfect choice for this picture when I'm making the video. And I gotta choose the perfect choice. So I hope you choose the perfect choice that will match your Mother's Day card and give your mother a big surprise for your card. I also make cards for my teachers, for Ramzan, and for Eid, and for my friends, for everybody, for my sisters, happy birthday, everything. But right now it's a Mother's Day, so I was super excited. I just ran out of my bed and I just dressed up and started my day. And then after I was watching mobile and I saw this cool idea, so I decided to actually make this. And I had some amazing ideas to make a Mother's Day card. I didn't copy anything. I just made this whole card by myself. And I hope you make one by yourself too. If you're creative than me, then you can make the card even better than I did. If you want, you can use different colors. It's not important to just use the colors I did. I want you to make your own masterpiece like your mom likes. You can also use red and pink and also make some hearts to make it nice. I'll stick some a lot of pieces here, and I think I'm almost finished. But it'll take a long time for it to finish because I have to add a crown on the top to make sure my mom is a queen and some presents too. Hey mama, I love you just the way you are. To the moon and past the stars. Hey mama, I see you no matter how far. And where's the green? Oh, you're the song inside my heart.
and I would never change a thing. 'Cause you make me sing. Hey mama. It's been a long day. We've come a long way, wouldn't you say? Mama, are you okay? Look what I made you. I colored it blue.
I'm
just like
almost
the
done.
sky.
I just
Like
need
time
a few
me
more
too,
to
and
make
I've
it
been
look
chasing
geniuser
somebody
and
who've been
beautifuler.
pushing my wagon and it's been
Does it
grand.
look beautiful?
Like you
I
say I
think it looks
am.
enough
Hey
beautiful
mama,
to fit
I
my
love
mother's
you
picture.
just the way you are.
My mother really likes
To the
whatever
moon
I
and
make,
past the
so
stars.
I
Hey
hope she
mama,
likes this one the most.
I see you no matter how far. You're the song inside my heart, and I would never change a thing.
I'm now sticking on the
'Cause
glittery
you
boxes
make me
to make it look like they were their
sing.
presents.
Hey
They are
mama,
blue. I have blue, golden, yellow, and
looks
red.
like it's
So let's get
raining.
started.
We're inside
This is
playing,
gonna be
you
quick
do it
because
best.
I know how to stick, but I want to just make them look proper.
You say it's lights out. There's so much I can't stop thinking about. Put your patience to the test, and I've been crazy and daring. You've been loving and caring, and it's been grand. Like you say I am. Hey mama, I love you just the way you are. To the moon.
Now I have this pretty crown that I'm gonna stick on the top with some crystals.
No matter how far, you're the song inside my heart, and I would never change a thing.
Now here are some very pretty crystals.
Make me sing.
I have this blue color dot. When I put it, you can see it better. And I have another blue dot. And on the middle, I'm gonna add a really pretty red diamond on the top, so it looks much better. So everyone can know that mom is a queen.
Hey mama,
Because she always helps me, so why can I help
just
her?
the way you are.
Now I'm gonna use some of my favorite, most favorite
Stars, hey mama,
pens that I have. From one of them, my mom said that to use the pointer is much better. And then I had the idea to use the pointer since my mom loves using things with pointers because pointers work really good.
hey mama.
Other people say that I don't know if you have used the pen, but it doesn't work good. I think the pen works amazinger than I think so. So now I'm gonna make some balloons with their actual coming out strings, and also this red one. It also has coming out strings.
Hey mama, I love you just the way you are. To the moon and past the stars. Hey mama, I see you no matter how far.
Now a little bit shading won't mind.
Inside my heart, and I would never change a thing. 'Cause you make me sing. Hey mama,
Now adding some hearts with my new markers that I just got.
looks like it's raining.
Each are gonna be in different colors. First, I'll start with my favorite color, pink.
Just the way you are, to the moon and past the stars. Hey mama, I see you.
It's looking gorgeous. I think it might be my new favorite one from all of my pictures and cards I've created. So I'm almost done, and I think I'm done. So check out, guys, how does it look. I hope you have fun in this video, and I hope you draw over to my next video. Draw over to my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for watching.